Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the zoom controller color or idle opacity on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then next we're going to tap on settings. In settings, tap on accessibility, then tap on zoom. Next, go down and tap on zoom controller, and then down here in color you can tap on it and select a different color that you want to use. In here you got white, blue, red, green, yellow or orange, so select one of the colors. And down here you can choose idle opacity, so by default it is set to 50%. Now you can increase it by dragging it to the right, or you can decrease the opacity, and as you drag it to your left it will become more transparent, and you can see here it will not become very apparent on the foreground, so that it won't disturb you while you are using other apps or other things on your screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.